Hello everyone, welcome back to the map of mathematics. In this video we are going to solve this nice algebra problem, and here we have n to the power of 6 minus 27 equals to 0, and we solve this problem for the values of n. So here we find all the 6 root of this equation. So that the very first thing we are going to do is, here first we rewrite this equation as n square and its whole cubed minus, we write this 27 as 3 cubed and this whole equals to 0. And in the next step we use here the nice cubic formula, and we know that if we have a cubed minus b cubed, it is equals to a minus b times of a square plus ab plus b square. So we use here this nice formula, and you see that this is the value of a and this is the value of b. So we substitute both of these values of a and b in this formula, and we get its output in this form. So first we have a minus b, and our a is n square minus b is 3 into, we have a square plus ab plus b square. So our a is n square and its whole square plus a times of b, and our a is n square and b is 3 and b square is 3 square, and this whole equals to 0. And in the next step we simplify the terms, and here you see that we have n square minus 3 times of n to the power of 4 plus 3 times of n square plus 9 equals to 0. So you see that we have two cases here. So that our first case is to write n square minus 3 equals to 0. And the second case is n to the power of 4 plus 3n square plus 9 equals to 0. So now first you focus on the first case. And in first case we have n square minus 3 equals to 0. And now we move this minus 3 to the right hand side, and we have n square equals to 3. So here, in order to find the value of n, we need to take the square root on both of the sides of this equation. Then you obtain n equals to plus minus square root of 3. So this is our first two real solutions of the given equation. So now in order to find the other solutions, we need to solve this equation. So this equation gives us the fourth root of the given equation. So now first we rewrite this equation as n square and its whole square plus 3 times of n square plus 9 equals to 0. And now we convert this equation into the quadratic form, so that we will take y equals to n square. So when we take y equals n square, then the above equation will becomes in quadratic form, and it is y square plus 3 times of y plus 9 equals to 0. So here we use the quadratic formula in order to find the other roots of given equation. So here first we write the coefficients of this equation, and we have a equals to 1, b equals to 3 and c equals to 9. So this is the coefficients of the given equation. And now we write the quadratic formula and we substitute all these values here. So our quadratic formula will be looks like in this form: minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac is divided by 2 times of a. So now we substitute all the values of a, b and c in this nice formula, and we move towards our final answer. So we have y equals to minus b, and the value of b is 3, so it will becomes minus 3 plus minus square root of b square, so it is 3 square minus 4 times of a is 1 and c is 9 divided by 2 times of a, and our a is 1. So that here we need to take little bit simplifications here, and we obtain y equals to minus 3 plus minus square root of 3 square, and you know that 3 square equals to 9 minus 4 times of 9 will be 36 divided by 2 times of 1 is 2. And now in the next step we have minus 3 plus minus square root of 9 minus 36, and you know that 9 minus 36 equals to minus 27, and it is divided by 2. So that in the next step we separate these two cases and we write it as y equals to, first we write the positive value, it is minus 3 plus minus we have 27, and we write this 27 as 3 times of square root of 3 into iota, and it is divided by 2, because we have 27 in under the square root sign, so we write it as 3 times of 3, and you know that the square root of 3 will be, the square root of 9 is 3, and we write this 3, and the square root of minus sign will be iota. So that we divide this case into form. So the first is we write the positive value, and the second is we write the negative value. So our positive value should be minus 3 plus 3 times of square root of 3 iota by 2, and the negative value is minus 3 plus minus 3 minus 3 times of square root of 3 iota divided by 2. And now we back substitute the value of y, and you see that we have our y equals to n square. So now we back substitute this value of y here, and you get n square equals to minus 3 plus 3 times of square root of 3 iota divided by 2, and in this case we have n square equals to minus 3 times of square root of 3 iota divided by 2. And in the next step, in order to find the value of n, we need to take the square root again on both of the cases. So when we take the square root on the first case, then you obtain plus minus square root of minus 3 plus minus 3 times of square root of 3 iota divided by 2. And in this case, we have n equals to plus minus square root of minus 3 times of square root of 3 iota divided by 2. So we have, these are the two solutions, it will becomes 4, and we given find the other two real solutions in this form. So we have, these are the total 6 solutions of the given question. So the real solutions are in this form. So these are the total 6 solutions of the given question, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.